Alright, I'm holding the old Deus 2 here. The subject of this video here is the old term hotkeys. You know, old Sharpshooter put a post on the Denkowski's forum. I may have put it somewhere else talking about this subject, you know, and it didn't really get a lot of traction. I even made the comment that these hotkeys, you know, a metal detector company may consider making them programmable. Well, the mighty folks at my lab, if you'll notice, current public version software on the mighty Manicore allows for that. You get to select, they're calling them soft keys, but you get to change the setting on what you want the key to do for you. Okay? And you may see some changes in the future on some models and that in the future. I can't talk about it. But anyway, you know, I even give recommendations on what we should be, you know, some of the more common things we do with a detector, you know. Keep us from chasing around inside a menu. Speed things up for us and keep it simple. And if the detector's got the capability, if it's engineered as such, that's grand, ain't it? So you see what Sharpshooter does, right? He's thinking all the time. Make this more efficient, more fun, less time consuming. Okay, so what about this Deus 2 here, the old hotkeys? Okay, well, you've got a hotkey here at the bottom center where my thumb is for a ground grab. Mash that by the call. You'll see our ground phase number come in. Now, since I'm holding this camera, I'm not going to show this. The two right keys on this remote here will change your ID from large to small or small to large, depending what it's currently in. Two right keys, upper right or lower right. Okay, you have two more hotkeys that do the same thing on this detector. Bottom left will open up your audio menu, okay? The bottom right will do it too. You can scroll through here with all your different wireless, bone conductive, okay? You even have a top right key if you hold it. Look at there. You get to do that frequency scan, or as my lab calls it, the noise cancel. I like the noise cancel term better, to be honest with you. Okay, now the WS6, I think the real only hotkeys on it is you can change the ID holding the two right buttons. So you don't have the hotkey options on the WS6 Master that you have with the remote, okay? It's something I thought I would share. You know, it does make it more easier to use. Yeah, and that old Manicore makes it easier to use too. Oh, I'm not biased toward any manufacturer. They all have some good things going for them. I hope you enjoyed.